good, people? Y'all see, we got the helmet. Boom. Where is it? Right here on the head. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take the bike out. We're gonna go to a friend's real quick, and we're gonna go get a tire done. Go get this tire put on. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Yeah, it's time to get another tire. We're gonna ride the bike and take it in and get the tire done, and then we're gonna come back, and the magic is gonna begin. So let's try to get this thing going. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Let me see. Gotta wait for the bike to warm up. What's good, people? Y'all see, we made it here, alright. You know what I'm saying? With that dang tire, I ain't gonna lie, it was kind of joking me a little bit, but it was cool. You know what I'm saying? We here. So we got another name for this thing. It's gonna be Cyborg. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see why. I got something in for y'all. If y'all like it, y'all like it. But when y'all see it, yeah, let me know. I used to do stuff like this when I was a kid. I didn't even know what I was doing until now. You know what I'm saying? So let me know. Hella bikes, yo. Hella fucking bikes. I like that color on top of there. Here's the tire. Should be all good.
And especially, see this one, look, 55. 55 is more easy.
Yeah,
that one's 50. So 50 is, you know, you don't have that much room, you know.
Yeah, they actually said that one right there was the stock one, the stock height for it. So I guess whoever had it before me.
Yeah, they put this one on because, but the 55 is more easy for you to turn.
Just listening to what they gotta say, bruh.
Sometimes my blood came over.
MPX Racing, that's you?
Oh yeah. That's
It's not that talkative. It's cool. We'll work that out of him.
Yeah, you might want to change your bearing later on. Cause one the bearing broke, it's hard to take out. What?
Do you build bikes as well?
No, I ride bike, yeah.
Like build the motors?
No, I don't. But I have another guy. I have a guy that do build motor.
Mm.
I have another guy do electrical.
Oh, okay,
So I
okay.
pretty much do all the basics.
Oh, got you,
Yeah.
got you, got you, got
Because you
you.
don't want to do everything.
Okay.
Yeah. And that was my race bike. They built the motor for me. But I crashed, so the frame bent.
Mhm.
So I bought this one. I'm gonna switch everything.
Oh,
But
okay,
this one,
okay.
yeah, yeah. So this month that's my project. Switch everything together.
All right, and that's you. That's what you gonna do.
Yes, it will really good.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Mr. The fastest 300, huh?
Uh, that's what I was there faster, you know. But last race so last race I actually I my time around the track I actually beat the race leader.
Yeah.
But he's still champion, but I just beat him. So next year's gonna be the real competition.
Okay.
Because this year due to COVID we don't have championship. Yeah. Like the point I was a champion, but due to COVID no championship.
Got you,
Yeah.
got you.
So next year will be you know,
Hopefully a better year.
yeah, better year. And but this kind of chain when you take out it's easy, you know. Just like when you put it on it's harder.
Yeah, cause that one got more wall, more flex room.
Yeah, this one is more warm.
Jeez. Okay. Well, hopefully it's warm.
Yeah, that one is yeah, but you put it on sometimes takes forever. So this one brand new tire. And he have a nail too.
Yeah, I got a nail the moment I even put the tire on.
Uh-huh. So what kind of style you ride? Are you just street or you also do Kenyan too?
I do carve and everything came.
That one is not good for curve.
That one?
Yeah.
You got one that's good for
Okay,
curve?
do you want? Okay, I could do you a favor. If you want, I could switch this one for you. This one's very expensive tire, and this one very new too. And I also patched that one too. This one you could do curve and the street. This is a $300 tire, and that one's only like $50 tire.
I mean, I didn't know the difference between like the.
Oh, this one was a softer and more angle.
Mhm.
That one you had no angle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm good with that if you want to swap them.
Yeah. Because that one, number one, hard to put on. Number two, you cannot do corner. Yeah.
Okay.
And if you might give you this one, this is a good one. And that one will be perfect for summer because summer is so hot, and when I put a tire on, it's easy. Yeah, but now it's put hot. That one only if you want to go like straight.
Which no, the other that one?
Yeah. See this guy, look, they are like this one.
Yeah.
People that know me, they change to good tire. Yeah. And this one is the first version.
Of it, yeah.
So 2 line, and the second version only 1 line.
So okay, so this is the tattle toe right here.
Yeah,
okay.
this just in case you went into water. You know?
Okay,
Yeah.
got you.
Yeah. So without this line, it's pretty much slick. But because with this, then you could ride straight.
Got you.
Yeah.
Got you. All right. Yeah, I mean that's cool because I mean I do like turns. You know what I'm saying? I do all that.
Yeah,
I was kind of looking at the tire like
Yeah, see,
maybe
like
I could or couldn't.
See, like when I race on the ring, right? I use this one. This on the ring. This is my 250. I become a champion, so the bike retired. So that's 300. Look, 100% slick. This one.
Oh yeah, that's a slick.
Yeah, this one very new. Yeah.
Jeez.
And unfortunately, You know, I try to beat the radiator, so I crashed, and the bike went all the ear, dropped down, and everything bent. Yeah.
Well, at least you know what. At least you're still alive, and you got
Yeah.
a pretty good parts bike. You know what I'm saying? To
Yeah.
start off from.
So this one I'm gonna paint everything, and just for show. Yeah, this one's done.
Oh yeah, so you're just gonna put that one up in the shelf
Yeah.
of history right
Yeah,
there, huh?
and yeah.
Okay. Hey, I don't see why
Because
not.
I've been racing this one for 5 years now. So finally I became the champion, and then I moved up to the 300.
It's same motor.
No, it's different. This one is a 250cc. The motor is 250cc, and that one the motor is 320.
Okay, you say you don't this motor right here. You raced this one 5 years on the same motor.
No. Every year one different motor.
Motor. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause you want to be you want your motor to be fresh. You know.
Got you. All right.
Yeah.
All right. I like that.
Yeah. I mean just to my style the garage kind of messy.
Man, you should see mine.
I tend to kind of garage, you know. And then I just don't have how to play, you know. Always something going on, so.
Don't even sweat it.
Some people they know how to do tire, but they just give up because winter is hard to do tire change, and they have a hard time, you know. So they just give up. They don't want to do no more. And that's how you to use right here.
I see you got the whole setup and the whole quick tips.
If you know how, it's not difficult, but if you don't know how, it's gonna be hard. And when you do, you want to go little by little. If you try and go right here, you're gonna kind of cut open. So you just want to go little, and you make sure that, yeah, just like that. You're gonna push. You leave that one on right there. You do another one. And if you know how, you will never make scratch. But if you don't know how, you can make all scratch. See that? Yeah, I show a lot of people they don't know how, because they work, they good. You know? You want to make sure you take that one. Summer, you don't need all this. Summer, just this one, you're going to go around. That's it. Yeah.
Nice and easy.
Yeah. If you know how to do it, easy. But if you don't know how to do it, it's going to be hard.
That other tire, I didn't ride it like that. I mean, I rode it like that, but I didn't make it flat like that. The person before me had it flat.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I actually, I'm actually all on the sides and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, this tire is very popular right now. They really like it.